Now there are two topics before us. First is understanding the importance of seeking professional help for mental health. And the second is the importance of setting realistic goals for improved mental health and well-being. Now the question before us is how can seeking professional help improve mental health? If anyone is suffering from mental health issues, he should seek professional help from a mental health provider. Now, who is mental health provider? Mental health professionals are those persons who have specialized training and knowledge to provide effective treatment for mental health issues. They create an individualized treatment plan because each person, each and every patient or the individual may have its own types of medical issues. So it is very necessary that the mental health professionals provide individualized treatment to the person. These professionals can provide a variety of treatment options which may include therapy, counseling, medication, and alternative therapies. Mental health professionals can also guide friends and family members of the concerned person who are supporting someone with mental health issues. Do not hesitate to contact a mental health professional if you are struggling with mental health issues. With the right treatment and support, it is possible to manage mental health conditions and improve overall quality of life. But if you hesitate that the other people will get the knowledge of about your mental health issues and you do not approach for proper treatment to a mental health professional, then the mental health issues may aggravate and you may have to suffer a lot in your life. So whenever there is a mental health issue, do not hesitate to contact a mental health professional. Now, next question is how setting realistic goals can help improve mental health. Sometimes in our lives we settle goals for ourselves which are very unrealistic. Suppose I am a student and I normally get 60% marks in the examination, and if I set the goal that I will achieve 95% marks after 3 months in the examination, it may be like setting a unrealistic goal. Suppose I am doing a business and my sale is suppose 1 lakh dollar per month, and I set the goal of 10 lakh dollars per month from after 6 months, then these types of goals may just be looking like setting unrealistic goals. So this question is also on this topic that we should settle realistic goals so that it will improve our mental health. Now answer is goals provide direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. When setting goals, it is important to see that goals set by us are achievable and realistic. We should make our goals specific, measurable, and time bound. For example, instead of saying, I will exercise more, we should settle a specific goal such as, I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times in a week. That is, we have set the goal which is measurable and which is specific. Do not set unrealistic expectations for yourself. Instead, focus on making progress towards your goals, even if it is a small step forward. It is okay that you adjust your goals as and when required. if you need that, if you find that your goals are too challenging or may not be achieved or are unrealistic, then you need to adjust them accordingly. By setting realistic goals and working towards them, you can improve your mental health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.